Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn Easy. In this video, we will cover some questions related to comparing of quantities. This video will help you to solve the questions based on profit and loss. Also, you will be able to calculate the percentages. Friends, if you like my video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more updates. Let us begin. So questions based on comparing the quantities. So first question is convert the following ratios into percentage. Now as you can see on the screen, whenever we say that we have to convert anything into percentage, it means you have to multiply the given ratio, convert it into fraction. See, ratio will be converted into fraction, and then further fraction will be multiplied by 100. So it means if I say 5 by 4, so 5 by 4 can also be done as 5 by 4, convert the following into making the denominator as 100. So obviously 4 is multiplied with 25 and numerator is also multiplied with 25 to convert it into fraction, and then we can, two zeros means that is 125%. So multiplying also means percent. Percent means per hundred. Cent means 100. Similarly, if I talk about 3 by 5, so 3 by 5, to make the numerator 100, we are going to 5 4s are 20 is 100. So 60%. Let us move to the next one. The marked price of a ceiling fan is rupees 1250. The shopkeeper allows a discount of 6% on it. So we have been given with the marked price, we have given with the discount, right? So find the selling price of the fan. We do not know the selling price of the fan. So always remember that discount is calculated on the marked price. So in order to calculate discount, the formula for discount is d% of MP. MP means the mark price. So for mark price, we are putting the value as 1250. 1250 into 6 upon 100, we've got as rupees 75. Obviously, if we are getting a discount, that means mark which one will be greater, right? That will be the mark price is greater, right? So what I will do is to calculate the selling price, I will apply the formula as mark price subtracted with discount. So I've got the answer as 1175. So this question is that when we are given with the mark price, we have been given with the discount percentage, we need to calculate selling price. Alright, so let us move to the next one. Sahana sells two watches for rupees 1955 each, gaining 15%. Gaining word means profit and loss on 15%. Find her gain or the loss percentage in the whole transaction. Now if it says they are selling, we have been given with the selling price of the two watches, we have given with profit percent of 1 and loss percent of 1 watch. So this is also given to me, right? But we do not know the cost price. So in order to calculate the cost price, what I will do is, so it's 1955, right? So selling price is equal to 1955 into 115. What I have done, I have assumed let the CP be rupees 100. The CP is gain is 15%. That means I have got as 115 upon, I have got the cost selling price. For the second one also same, I have got the selling price. Now I'm going to add both the prices together, right? So this is so now I have received this. So this is the one. Now since selling cost price is greater than loss, so we have the loss. Always remember, when we have gain and loss in same transaction, then there is always a loss, right? So the loss percent is 2%. Let us move from question number 4. By selling a t-shirt for rupees 216, a shopkeeper loses 4%. what will be the actual price? So actual price means the cost price, gross price of the shirt we need to find out, right? So this is the selling a t-shirt, उसके लिए तो कॉस्ट प्राइस हुई, ठीक है, तो दैट मीन्स 216 into 4 upon 100. So we've got 8.64. I'm going to add to the actual price, right? I'm going to get rupees 224.64. Alright. Mohan bought a CD. Now bought means the cost price for rupees 750 and sold it for rupees 875. Find his gain percent. So that means if selling price is greater than the cost price, then it means he is making a gain. Then calculate the gain. Now obviously when we are supposed to calculate, that is SP minus CP, because when selling price is greater than CP. Okay, I get 125 rupees is the gain. Gain percentage कैसे निकालेंगे? Formula for the gain percentage is gain upon CP into 100%. Right? That is, I have received the answer as 16.2/3%. Alright. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लग रही तो प्लीज़ ज़रूर लाइक करें, शेयर करें अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ. जिन्होंने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. Okay, then we have sixth part. Ravi purchased the table for rupees this much. Purchase means obviously it is the cost price. Due to some scratches on its top, he had to sell it at this much. Now you all can see cost price is greater than selling price. सबसे पहले it is first step is to determine whether cost price is greater or lesser than selling price. Find his loss percentage. Question has told me already it's a loss. Yes, it is a loss. So makes a loss. 1260 minus 1 is rupees 63. Then loss percentage. To calculate the loss percentage is loss upon CP into 100%. Every time loss or profit is always calculated on the basis of cost price. So the answer here is 5%. Do practice these questions. These questions are important from examination point of view also. Ravi purchased an old scooter for rupees 12,000. Purchase means cost price हो गया, and spent rupees 2850 on its overhandling. Overhandling मतलब ये ऊपर के खर्चे हैं. Then he sold it to his friend for rupees this much. अब उसने sold करा अपने friend को, so this has become your SP. How much percentage did he gain or loss? Now in order to calculate the total CP, total cost price हम कैसे करेंगे? जितने price पे उसने खरीदा प्लस जितने उसको ओवर हैंडलिंग चार्जेस ऊपर से उसको खर्च करे ठीक कराने में. सो ये आपके पास आ गए 2850. ठीक है, तो ऐड करके हमारे पास आ गया रुपीज़ 14,850. बट सेलिंग प्राइस इज दिस मच. ऑब्वियसली इसको लॉस हो गया बिकॉज कॉस्ट प्राइस हमारी ज़्यादा है सेलिंग प्राइस से. ठीक है, सो इट इज़ अ लॉस. राइट, लॉस हो गया. कितने परसेंटेज का लॉस हुआ? 62/3% इज द लॉस. ऑलराइट, now let us come to the compound interest. This is the most important topic because you get lots of questions for solving from compound interest. So that's his amount is equal to principal plus r upon n and t. Number of time interest is compounded per unit. So generally it is taken to be 100. And nt is the number of years, or you can also call it as time. Alright. So first question says, find the compound interest on rupees 25,000 for 3 years. So we have the principal. So principal is 25,000. Time is given to me as 3 years. And the rate percentage is given to me. So this word is very important, that it is compounded annually. So this is the formula. I'm putting all the values in the formula. Right, I've got my amount as this much, but the question did not ask me to find the amount. The question has asked me to find the interest. So formula for compound interest becomes amount minus the principal. जो final amount उसने दिया और जो principal उसने जमा किया था बैंक को, right? So the comes out to be 4,775.40 is the interest he's paying it to the bank. All right. Ninth question. Find the amount and the compound interest. The question is asking me to calculate both things together. So principal, this is the principal, right? And this is the time. And again it's saying compounded annually for 3 years, right? Okay, so this is the rate. So when I put the values in the formula, principal 2500, 1 plus r is 10, 10 upon 100 power 2, multiplying 11 into 11 multiplied by 2500, I've got the answer as 3025. This is my first answer. My second answer will be the compound interest, that is amount minus the principal. So the answer has become rupees 525. Alright, so coming to the last one, find the compound interest on. Now, so this is the principal. Time is 1 year, and it is saying that this is the rate percent which is compounded half yearly. Now friends, when it says half yearly, every time what you have to do, you have to divide time into 2, divide rate into 2. So that means if it was 8%, we made it 4%, and if time remains the same, right? And 2.5 years, right? So 2.5 years is 6 months. Yes, so 1 year has how many months? 12 months, right? So 12 months have been reduced to, alright, so that means, alright, so that means 5000 into putting the values 1 plus 4 upon 100 to power 2. So we've got the amount is here. Okay, and then we have compound interest is equal to amount minus the principal, so which is 408. So this is my final answer because question has asked me to calculate the interest. Alright, so I think we have been through with the compound interest. We have been through with the profit and loss questions. So thanks for watching this video, and you can find us on Facebook, and you can check the description box for more videos, for more links which will help you to solve questions based in NCERT or any kind of exam preparing for mathematics. Thank you, and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more updates.